Hello, my name is Mary. I am from Norway. This is my squishy collection. It's 2021, but these squishies are from way back, or someone new, or someone are old. I wanted to show so I can show you everyone. I have sheep squishy and more pricey squishy kiibru and hallo. This is a cheap one. Have a lot of cracks. So you can see it's been used, but it is really soft. Oh, it's some of them are beautiful, very beautiful. Everyone have seen this before. It's not that slow, but it's soft. This has a crack in the middle. It smells like bread, but it's not slow rising. Maybe this is why it's like airy. You can hear the air. Everyone have seen this before. Pink ice cream. Have a white ice cream. Oops. This is big ice cream, white. Have it's not that slow rising. Unicorn cake. Soft. My nails are not beautiful today. This is Cafe Dien. Cafe Dien. In Norway we see coffee. Eller kaffe. I don't drink coffee. I don't like it. I love Pepsi Max. But I'm pregnant and I've not drank that much Pepsi Max now. This is very beautiful. Look, really real. And it's so soft. So this have the tag, and so I like this one. More ice cream. I love ice cream. This one is in the bag because I want it to be don't want to break it. The same one in white with sprinkles. It's very small comparing to other ice cream. This one is, I love the color on this. I love the, just look like a real ice cream when it melts down. But it's not that slow rising. I have this on, I have it on decoration in the cabinet so people can see everyone. It's a small one. Has some cracks because I have squished it a lot. So it's not looking good anymore. But it's very small comparing to the big one. I have some color cracks. The unicorn rainbow squishy. In Norway we see enhjørning, regnbue, unicorn, enhjørning, regnbue. Regnbue er rainbow. Kjempekoselig på norsk. Norwegian languages. This is one cutie created. Can't. Yeah, this is 2011. It's very small. I haven't opened this. It's very slow rising. I don't know how it looked like. I don't want to open it. Have this ice cream. Kiibru. This one I have squished a lot because it has some scratch. It's maybe you can see it, kiibru. It's difficult to not squish them because they are so soft. Little hot dog with face. It's not slow rising. It's so sticky. Unicorn. I haven't switched this one a lot, so it's more. Rainbow on it. I have some, I don't know what this really is, but it look like bread. Or bun. I don't know what this is. Look like pink cream. Have a pink ice cream. This I have two white ice creams. That's why I show two the same. The coloring is different on this. It's more orange, more yellow. this one because they have two faces. The name on this is, I don't know, there, if you can see it. The brand Sunny Squishy. This one is beautiful. Have a hole there, but it's not that bad. Have no cracks. Sunny kitchen. Do not eat. Have a blue one with white ice cream. Melon. I think this was the first one I got in the mail for a long time ago. I think it was the first, or maybe. I love ice cream. So I have a lot of ice creams. This is more squishy. It's more like a stress ball. Look like. More ice cream. Kiibru ice cream. Has some cracks. Kiibru name is there. Name. The brand. It's possible. I don't know. People can see that. Smiley donut. Lots of cracks. You can see the name. Cracking. Some of them I have squished a lot, some of them are not squished because I wanted the ones that I don't want them to be cracked because I've been squished a lot. Kiibru pineapple, but I can't see. It's supposed to be kiibru. I do have the bag. Have some strawberry. Supposed to be eye blue, but I don't think this is the real eye blue. Can't see anything. More squishy cake. Have some keychains. This is very funny, but I have put some keychain in there and in my key. It will be very big to put in a pocket and go out, lock the door. In Norway it's always cold, almost always cold and raining. Now it's very freezing. If we go out with a squishy now, it will be very slow rising because it gets very cold. So because of it's the same thing than when people put the squishy in the freezer. We don't have to do that. We can just go outside and the cold will do the same. Panda squishy, donut. We say another ice cream, yellow ice cream. A pen squishy. Ice cream pen. Ice cream. Another ice cream, big one. Pink ice cream. An orange ice cream. Pineapple donut ice cream. Neither, it's not ice cream, donut. Squishy, I meant pineapple. I think this is not. This is a replica, I think, because I don't have any name. I like it. Don't care. No, I love every squishy. They don't have to be the brand, because any squishy gets ruined anyway when you squish them. Toothpaste have some cracks. This is real item squishy. This is very soft. It smells very good. Oh, it smells just like peach. This is slow rising. You can see this. Oh, it's beautiful. And everyone have laughed and said it looked like a butt, and I'm agree. It's look like a butt. A pink butt. Do 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 do. I want this to be not squished that a lot. Cake squishy with sprinkles. not slow rising at all. Lots of cracks. Blue ice cream. Another cake, squishy white one. Kiibru one. Airy. You can hear it. I love the color on this one. Another ice cream with sprinkle. Another cake with other colors. This is very soft. Have some come with some deformed. It's not cracked. Some it's a crack there, but this is I don't know what this is. More maybe more paint. This has this room. Coffee. This is one have my son have broken because he think that it was something to eat, but he didn't eat anything. He just torn it up. It's very sad because this was very beautiful and now it's ruined. If I turn it this way, you can see it. And this way, it's broken. Popcorn. Squishy. I have painted this because it was ruined and I've tried to paint it to look more, but I'm not good to paint squishies. Now it's very slow rising because I paint all and no hole, so it just take a long time to come out. Because of the paint. And then I show you my other cake. It's a galaxy cake. High bloom cheesecake. It's very big. It don't have any cracks because I haven't squished it a lot. This is the brand on the where is it? Was on the side. I have to find it. There it is. Can eye bloom. You can see it. You can see the texture. Look like a real cheesecake. I have never eat this squishy. I'm not eating squishy, but other than I have never eat this cheesecake before because it's look like the ones that they have in Japan. It says Tokyo here, so I think I think the cheesecake have the squishy is made of that cake, and I don't sell that cheesecake here. I have never seen one store that made something like this. Sometimes I really wanted to try different food from other countries, but they don't sell it here. So if people come here and made something different, then I will try the food. You get tired to eat the same thing all the time. And we are not in Norway. We don't eat just Norwegian food all the time. It's not a little bit boring to eat the same. I love food. This I got it not been used, just been on decoration. And one more and then I'm done. I did have to have 2 of them because both of them were so beautiful. So this is all I got from my collection now. So I hope people liked it. Hello from Norway. Goodbye.